In the world of classic Jaguars, few machines inspire as much admiration as the 1965 E-Type fixed-head Coupé, a car whose elegance and engineering brilliance shaped automotive history. This particular E-Type, registry JB65, carries a rare and precious legacy. It has remained in the hands of the same family since the day it left the factory. Every curve, every memory, every detail holds a story worth preserving. And today, that story is being rewritten through a world-class restoration led by the artisans of Classic Jaguar, also known as Team CJ, one of the most respected restoration workshops in the world. At Team CJ, restoration is not just a service, it is a philosophy, a discipline, and a commitment to perfection. Their craftsmen approach JB65 with the same dedication and passion that have made the company famous across the globe. From the very first step, the car was completely disassembled, inspected, and rebuilt from the bare shell, ensuring every inch of metal was returned to factory-correct precision. The body was expertly refinished in its original breathtaking color, opalescent golden sand. Inside, the cabin was renewed using exquisite Suffolk and Turley red leather hides, sewn and fitted with the same care given to the world's finest Concours champions. Team CJ, please open your app to see this link. Mechanically, nothing was overlooked. The engine, transmission, suspension, electrical system, and every mechanical component were restored to a level that often exceeds the quality this Jaguar had when it rolled out of Coventry. Team CJ's renowned standards, from their legendary engine builds to their precise metal fabrication, ensured that JB65 was reborn with the performance, reliability, and refinement worthy of its heritage. Every panel aligned, every fastener restored, every detail perfected. The result is not simply a restored car, it is the resurrection of a family heirloom executed by one of the greatest Jaguar restoration teams on Earth. This is JB65 Reborn, a tribute to craftsmanship, history, passion, and the unmatched dedication of the specialists at Classic Jaguar / Team CJ.